All right, good morning, everybody, again. Yeah, we are having some technical issues, so we're still gonna do the streaming, but I'm gonna be having trouble for trading because the platform just erased my whole profile, and I have to create my profile because the backup I have is a little bit too old, and I am not comfortable trading like that. So, but yeah, definitely, we're gonna be looking at those any stocks that you would like me to look at. Feel free to just let me know. Marie, you let me know if you want me to look at anything.
Absolutely.
I'm just gonna be
Yeah,
doing this.
you're going to be doing the setup.
Yeah.
Me gusta.
Perfecto. So let's see.
Absolutely.
Let's see how we do this.
For sure.
So, anything that you are interested to trade right now?
Actually, right now, not much is looking interesting. I was just putting down some volume in our top volume trades in stocks here.
Yeah.
So, QBTS is number one. So, when we're looking, first of all, let's look at SPY. Because, like you said, Davey, SPY was like if we're looking at SPY if I'm looking at it in a 30-minute, doesn't look that bad. But when we're looking at the two, there's definitely a sideways movement that's happening. So there's a couple of levels that are apparent when we're looking at the tape.
Yeah.
So I've put those there
Okay.
for SPY. So we've got that pullback that happened pre-market this morning. So that pullback is 564.18 and 564.26.
564.18
and 26. So when
that's
we're
gonna
looking
Okay.
at the tape, there is a big amount at 564.30. Okay, so that is into the. Of course, we are talking about the bid. So I'm going to put 564.30 as well because that 564.30 is alone. And then we've got that same amount at 564.40, at 563.40. So these are 40 lots. So it seems like 563.40 is a big one as well. So we're going to put that down because, oh, come on, man. My God, it's contagious this morning.
Yeah, I hope it's not anything that is globally happening because,
I
like
remember.
just to make sure, save somewhere your layout, somewhere else, and just put backup, just in case, because that's very weird. I don't know if it's,
Yeah.
just to make sure. I think it's
That's a
better
good
to be
idea.
safe. Make sure that won't happen to you too. So, but yeah,
Let's
so
put back up.
perfect.
And let's open it again, just in case, because you're right. Like yesterday, everything closed properly. So why would that be doing that, right? Opened again perfectly.
Perfect. Well, you didn't save your line, but it's okay. At least you have it good.
No! Schmook. But I saved.
You can now you can go and load, load the backup, and you're gonna have your lines. That's okay. You can do that if you want. That should work for you. But look, this is a chart, and I am trying to put things, it just doesn't work. It's black out.
No. I loaded the default backup. There's no line. Crap.
Okay, 564.18, 564.26. So man,
This morning it's a ooh ooh.
but I'm gonna learn this time. I
Don't
learned it
close
this
it.
time. No, it's just half a backup.
Yeah.
Like because I have a backup, but I cannot work with that backup. It's like
It's too old.
yeah, it's
I agree.
I will be so
You
off.
haven't been trading like that for a long time.
So, but yeah, and yeah, I just gonna let's say I duplify this one, and then I say this is probably a SPY. But yeah, and yeah, like Tesla, I said I was looking at Tesla like going down today, and I said, oh, I'm gonna trade this, but yeah,
Oh, really?
yeah. I'm gonna be taking more care of your trades and like feel free to mention your levels even if I don't draw like then like yeah just go with the
Absolutely.
like that
So
way.
right now there seems to be, so we've got the 562.89, 562.89. We also have a 562, there's a stack going to 562.91 for SPY again that we're talking. And I am going to put that there. 89.91 is very close, so I like that. Then we've got to the offer, not as clear to the offer, but there's a very healthy stack that goes up to 566.40. So that one was important. I saw it. Yeah, I put that there at 566.40. And then we've got like individual lots, though they are pretty good. At 560, the biggest one would be 565.99. So that's very, very close to 567. So I'm going to put that there as well. So we were like that. We were trading that yesterday. So all of these, and 567, it's very close to the PCL. So very, very close to the PCL. So I'm going to put that back in the 2 minutes, and we are going to, and I'm going to put that in the 2 minutes as well, because it's not looking too crazy.
Okay, we have I guess 5 minutes for the open.
Mm-hmm.
So
So it's going to be a little bit how do we say? Slower this morning. We're going to take, because we've had both a little bit of issues.
and the funny part is like I said I think I said last week I say oh I want to update this thing just in case like to not have any lag and like it's like no you are not doing that. So let's
Darn.
say
Okay, so we've got
Let's
the
hope we
lines
can
there.
imagine.
So it seems very rangy. We're talking two. So everything is good. Okay.
I'm sorry.
Oh no!
It's
960. Okay, so that's pretty much. I'm gonna put that there. Hey. It's gonna be good because it's gonna slow us down. Right? And say, okay, don't go too crazy. Don't go jumping in there like a summer day in a cool pool.
yeah, there are days that we need that, but today, do you think we need that? Like, I mean,
Hey, I'm trying.
yeah, no, I mean, like, yeah, it's no, for sure. Like, I mean, I know what you mean. Like, it's, hey, we do the best we can, but at the end, it's like, I was already being very patient. It's like, I like right now, I am focusing to not have the. Good morning, Zach.
Morning.
Good
How are you
morning.
doing, my guy?
Good, good.
Nice.
What about you?
Good. We are doing very good here. You know, fantastic. Life is amazing, and like we only have to pull out as much hair as we can, and then we're gonna be
We're
good.
good.
Yeah. Yeah. No, like
Yesterday
my
was good.
yeah.
Yesterday was a good day.
Yeah, it was a very good day, but today we have a little problem. Like
A little bump.
my dash, like basically erased the whole profile from my computer.
Ah.
And we are trying to solve it, like, but I am just creating one little by little. So I won't be trading right at the open, but like whenever I get there, well, I get there. So, but yeah, feel free. Like the reason why we keep the streaming going on is because even if I'm doing this, like it's very slow, but it's very simple too. So I won't take any trade, but I will be able to assist anybody. Like I mean, Marie, you, whoever that show up in the streaming, I will be able to help if anything.
Answer pertinent question.
Yeah,
So, do we have news? I know that this is.
yeah, that's a good question. Let me check because I know that J Paul is gonna be talking tomorrow. Yeah, we have building permits Pearl that it came out at 8:30. That's important because if that number reduced by a lot, it means the government is not issuing those permits. That affect a lot the housing market. But we also have Red Book year to year at 8:55. The building permits was at 8:30. So if I have to consider a SPY at 8:30, he didn't like it apparently. So yeah, sell off. So but not by a lot. So import prices was at 8:30. At 9:15 we have industrial production month to month. After 9:30, the only thing we have is 52 weeks bill auction. That's at 11:30. I don't think that moved much the market. And we have oil stock change at 4:30. So nothing to be concerned right now. So guys, you can trade like a cow when the market open. Should be good. Zach, any name that you're looking at? Basically PLTR.
Yeah, I'm focusing on PLTR. I see that yesterday the volume profile
Yeah, was sweet.
is pretty good for today, let's say.
Nice.
And yesterday I programmed something like quick
Mm-hmm.
that will help me. It's like on my chart, when the stochastic is oversold,
Mm-hmm.
it does like over my chart, it does a green color
I went.
at,
Very nice.
at the time that it is.
So that give you like a clear signal for entries.
Like if that happened and it touched one of my range, I should go in.
Very nice. So yeah. So let's see.
PLTR at 85 is very, very big. So we've got a position at 85, and we've got a big position as well at 84.90. When we're looking at SPY right now, it really popped up at the open, but now it's really pulling back down. So the biggest position for PLTR is 84.50. 84.50, we've got 1,300, which is really rare for PLTR to have that kind of, so that is
Okay.
a huge.
As you guys are trading PLTR, I'm gonna be focusing on PLTR as well. Like I mean, I'm gonna have everything for PLTR here. Yeah, like 300
market-
lot, and
yeah.
it's growing up a bit. So what means it's getting a little bit weaker now. It's reducing a bit. So let's see. We have the big player, the one that has the fixed amount of shares in the tape.
So right now as well, we've got a SPY at 50, the level I said, 50, 564.19, and pulling through that. So,
Yeah, Spice is. I think it's looking like if it wants to break that. So
there's nothing on the tape indicating that it should much. There's a little stack though, 564.40, but it seems to interact well, and it corresponds with the 84.90 for PLTR. So both, when we're looking, when we are looking at both RSI, very, very low. Okay, now we've got a position on PLTR at 84. So I'm putting that there as well. Look at that wick on PLTR. So it seems that SPY is interacting well. And what is it going to do? So that's a very important level at 564. Okay, so the RSI is climbing significantly for both.
yeah, but that volume is quite high. I mean, to accomplish that little, like I will be looking short probably at the VWAP, and very concerning that the way it's selling off. I mean, like you can even let it do a bamboozle move if it's gonna ever do it, but I don't like it. I mean, okay, let's see. Do we have any big fish? 81, 86, 86. There is a big guy, 86. It break the 86. Now we want to see. We don't want to take the trade yet, maybe. Because that Pierce was a little bit too much. Probably, let's see, 86, 86, 86.50. And remember, guys, that this name was a little bit stronger yesterday. So I think that, yeah, like if you have a way to get the 86, but I don't know, I'm not 100% sure about that. Like, I mean, it's like, it could be good, the 86, but if you are able to survive like 50 cents pullback, like, which actually you can divide it in 25 cents.
I have an order at 86.20 for sure.
Nice.
Like, actually, it's at 15, and it went to 17, and then triggered.
Okay. Yeah, like the 20s. Like right now, I see a big guy at 85.73, and probably you wanna go with him. I don't know if it's correct, but like the way that it worked the 86 is kind of saying that he might not want to go back in there.
So the guy at 84.50 is still there.
Híjole, carajo.
So SPY is pushing down.
Under pressure.
Yay. Going through the 84.90, so
Yeah.
there we go. Hey, dollar in the money for PLTR.
Very good lady, very good lady.
Thank you.
I don't want to be too picky, but like partially might be good.
Yup, I was just 84.50.
Like 84.50 didn't hold. We're gonna go even lower. Oh man, 84.50 like butter.
Here we go. Money talk.
I got
Here comes the
Mr.
money.
8 points.
Huh? Sorry,
If you went past my entry, like, okay.
yeah, like
So 84, is that guy still there? Yeah, no, God, that really went down. 84, that big guy's not there. It's going through as well. I am going to monitor. So SPY keeps pulling down.
hijo de tu mamá, pendejo. Ay, papi.
What the bottom? Is this a bottomless pit? Okay, so we've got 83. That's quite okay, large. Oh yeah.
It's so funny because my watch list is perfectly here. It's like
Yeah,
I hate this thing right now.
I bet. I hate it for you.
Thank you.
Oy, puppy.
Zach, does your strategy have room for some like for flexibility with entries? Like, I mean, I'm not talking about now. Like, what I'm trying to say. It's like
Sorry.
no, all good, all good.
Here we go.
Like,
Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
like, do you have a way to consider prices that are not the best, or like because I know you have those lines like very defined, but like for example, when you jumping like when like after you print 86, the tape really changed. I know you don't have the tape, and that's why you are not looking at it. But like what I mean, do you have a way to be more flexible with the price or not?
I don't no way. Like, I don't know. Like, I was about to get the best price, but maybe I should leave it more room.
Mm-hmm.
Because maybe it's when I drew my range, I didn't do it wide enough.
Okay.
Maybe a source of error. So when I place it close. But,
So you think it's more like the way you are putting the levels, like is when you drew the level that you don't leave enough room for it?
yeah, like I only drew the level on the dip
Mm-hmm.
of volume. When it starts going up, I need to go a bit in that too.
Okay.
But it's, yeah, almost
Understood.
got it.
Okay, so 83 was important. Excuse me, there is a big position at 83. It did not get filled, so it should wick it again, and we've got a baby stack there. But SPY is really pushing through. But the 83 has not been filled on PLTR. We found a lot of buyers on SPY, but there's still room to pull down. There you go. So the 83 got filled there, and that it has created a little bit of movement. So holy cannoli.
Yeah, so you remember, David, the other day I told you I was testing a new thing?
Yeah.
That trade was the new thing. Like, the first, 5 candles,
Mm-hmm.
you're gonna go with volume to one of the levels, and then reject it.
Okay.
And, like, if I use a really tight stop loss, that could be really profitable. That's why I saw on the simulator. That's a good example. Just need to get filled.
82, huge position at 82. So we've got over 200 lots, so we should get there for sure. Wow, RSI is through the floor. Incredible.
You know what is the price on that to go long? If you I'm looking long now because I messed everything.
Yeah, 82.
80.
Could be. You think 80?
Yeah.
I don't see anything. Wait a minute.
Memory.
Wait a minute.
Memory
Okay,
from that.
81. Yeah, 81 is good. Yeah, the biggest one. Look at you. 80 is the biggest one. So let's go to 81. Good memory, good memory, good memory. I still trapped that head. Okay, I am going to monitor SPY though, because I think SPY is like, when we're looking at the chart on PLTR and on SPY, they're practically identical. So it's obviously very correlated. Okay, so I do remember 8280 as well.
Okay.
Wow, did you see that candle? Oish. Look at SPY really pushing. $82.80 was important.
Ah man, there's no time to talk about taxes.
No, not this morning. Okay, lost the
Oh
82.80.
my goodness.
82.50. Yeah, 81. 82.50 did not wick it.
82.40, I have an order to go long.
We've got . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . . .
Yeah, it's right now like
81.
whichever bounce is gonna be very aggressive
Yeah.
because of the way it's and now you see everything. Yeah, you can take the 8250 maybe if you feel comfortable because that 8250, like look at everywhere, SPY, Tesla, Nvidia, everything is bouncing minus PLTR. So PLTR like the 8250 or 82.
81, 82.
That's just a scalp move maybe, but like around there pretty much.
I got it.
There we go. Scalp it
On our
out because it's
instances.
a little bit delayed.
Well, for sure, I'm thinking off at VWAP because the LTR at VWAP is.
Yeah, there is a high chance that it won't get to VWAP, but you have better analysis than me on that one. So I say,
Yeah, you've been looking at PLTR, right, for a long time. But I believe it's 81. Like, do you have your water?
Yeah, I have my water. It's just
It might be 81 too. But
it didn't work.
I'm still in.
So 82.
Yeah, like you could fish, but like
82 is a big position, so it could be enough to, and it doesn't have a whole lot surrounding it to support it. So at 82 could be, if it maintains it.
you wanna build a snowman.
Wow, lost 82.
Okay, my guy, what do you have to make sure that you have configured?
Ben voyons donc.
Every
Who's
time-
going on vacation and selling everything? Woo! Voyons donc.
Okay, I need to know what does that mean. Like, I mean,
When Marie speaks French, it's bad.
It's big. It's big. When Marie speaks French, it's big.
and especially that phrase that you say, like,
Voyons donc.
yeah, I don't know what that is.
That's a slang, a Quebec slang. Okay. I just want to check on the tape. Okay.
Like a what the heck in Quebec.
Yeah, it means what the
Okay.
heck, but okay.
On
There we
Quebecois.
go. Out of the position.
Here we go. Money talk.
Here comes the money. Money, money, money.
So glad for you, like, that's
I
so
am
freaking
too.
nice.
Could be leaving a little bit, but
Hey, we always gonna be having that doubt.
yeah. And really, when what's
Until
what's
we don't-
happening right now?
The only thing is that as that 8250 there didn't work. Like I would like if I see maybe 83 something, I can look at the tape to see, but like that looks like a short right there. Like, well, of course we have to like that candle here is, I know it's a 1 minute candle only, but like even in the 5 minute it's telling you there are a bunch of sellers below 8250. So to short the 8250 for me is attractive, but hey, I am trying to open a window here and I say I already have it open, but
It's not.
I don't find it.
Okay. So we're definitely finding a little bit of a battle right about these levels for SPY as well as for a PLTR. So we're going to just check. I'm not going back in because it's not as clear.
Okay, so if I save this again,
It doesn't want to reprint 82, and SPY does not want, and I'm going to put that line on SPY as well. And we've got a first green in a while, so, ¿dónde está? Jeez. I'm gonna put that line there for SPY. And this one too,
Okay, so let's see.
because we
press-
could, we'll see if we're going to, oh no, 82. But we do have 83 as well, so I'm feeling like something should happen very shortly, we'll see. Okay, so we'll put those level. I'm not taking anything, we've got a little consolidation. Yeah, there's a lot of people finding it interesting, or like 82.50, the level that you said, Zach, seems to be interesting for buyers as well. So we'll see if it's going to go back to 82, because SPY as well, the RSI is
There
curling
you
back
go,
up.
Oh, sorry.
You found something? You found your chart?
Yeah,
It was hiding
it
in the
was
side.
hiding behind something else. So
Mm-hmm. Okay, so is this the reversal? Is this where I want to take a little bit?
a little bit of the other way.
A little bit of the other way. Could be.
Mira, buddy.
82.80, I needs to maintain 82.80 for me to go the other way. And it's printing 82.9.
Like now, my level 2 have a couple buttons there that I don't know what they like. Well, I know what they are. I never use them.
Okay,
So
82.80, what are you gonna do? Are you maintaining your 82.80? And for SPY would have to be 562, losing 562. Oh no, yeah.
window to the window.
To the wall.
Montage, out position or trade shortlist. Where the heck is the clock?
So SPY did not hold, PLTR did not hold 82.80. So I am, it got me out.
Beta body, beta body.
That's okay.
There we go, my guy. There we go.
Okay, tape is flipping, it seems, on PLTR.
Okay, so let's see if we can bring back the watch list and the clock. Zach, any trade or still PLTR?
Still looking.
Okay, we will have the clock. And then we need a watch list. Let's say Davies watch list. Once upon a time.
Damn. Frustrating,
To be honest, I am using it as an exercise to learn that, because you remember I told you I have the snowball effect thing. I made a mistake, and this time I didn't do any mistake. This thing just reset
Yeah.
itself. So, yeah, to really take it easy. I mean, like, it's not a big deal. I'm gonna be able to catch a tray very soon, and yeah, that's what we're gonna do. So my charts, I am missing indicator in some of them, and others I kind of don't know where they are. So like maybe clean for index is this one, and probably not. Híjole.
The spy loses it. We're going through the floor. Mm-hmm.
Okay, I got something. Now this might work. Okay. Wow, SPY have went down a lot.
Going through all levels that were there. So when I'm looking now at the tape, where is? Wait, no. Where does that stack finish? Wow, is it ever quick? 5:59:60. No. Okay, I have to really go into the. Okay, 5:69:60. Wait, there you go.
So I think I should be able to take some trades. Let's see.
Okay, Nvidia is at 115.50 is that.
Never gonna do that to me again.
No, we know. When
No?
you learn something, you learn like it's engraved in your skull.
So yeah, so okay, let's see if we can do this. And basically, what is extended? Do you guys see anything that is still high? Like,
QBTS. Wah, wah, wah. Okay, so we've got actually Nvidia. If we're looking at the tape, Nvidia still has a couple of dollars. So I might be to go. So we've got 115 on Nvidia. The 115 on Nvidia is almost 3,000 lot. So, wow, wow, that's crazy.
I think I have to wait, and
For the reversal.
I don't expect a reversal. It's just like yeah, Nvidia, like 1 minute before I look at it, and I will be able to, but I don't want to jump in like slow down 3 times already, 2 times already. So
Wow. Yeah, it's practically at that level at 115. So that is
it's
crazy.
PLTR at 80 already.
Buying. At 115.
Okay, so I'm gonna try the PLTR. Yeah.
At 115. And Nvidia, so the 115 correspond as the 82 on PLTR, so we could be looking at a reversal. So be careful.
I'm being okay. Like my entry is it's not the best, but it should be
82.
okay for now.
And the 115, I need to look at Nvidia for the 115 because that's
So-
insane. Okay.
What a morning! What a morning!
What a morning. Good job on staying
quiet.
Focus, yeah. Good job, David. Because that would have got me off. So 115 on Nvidia. Wow, wow, wow. Is it gonna lose it? That's incredible that big of a lot went through.
Well, let's see. Like I think this thing is already going like crazy. So okay. So I have a plan for PLTR. I want PLTR short. Okay, I add a little bit more to PLTR, and let's see. I can take the risk because I haven't done anything.
So what happened to Lucid? Holy cannoli.
Lucid was in the news yesterday for
It's number 1 in
good
volume.
news. Yeah, they are playing with AI and they have some AI developments. I don't know if they're gonna be accomplishing anything, but yeah. My guy seems to took the trade exactly the wrong spot, but it's okay. Oh. Patient, be patient, just be patient. And if we get you out, which it shouldn't get me out, to be honest. Like, I mean, of course, as I say, a little poor execution there, but it's funny because I thought it wasn't going to be able to get me, but it seems to be trying to go even lower. I mean, yeah, PLTR, I'm trying to go toward the 80s, so if I get to the 80s, it's gonna be good. And
I will hit the 560 soon.
sorry?
Pi is close to 560.
Yeah, and yeah, there is a lot to go down from there.
559.35.
Okay, I don't know if you remember. I don't know if you were here, but that day it went to 550. So we were on top of the channel for the last 2 days. So I wouldn't be surprised if it managed to go back to maybe around 552. So which we can actually like be a little bit more picky and look at the tape. I'm not happy with my entry on PLTR, but hey, I am testing my things because it's
You've been like, that was crazy.
yeah, but like I mean, was that trade a little bit impatient? Yes, it was, because like 550. Can I correct the trade? Probably yes. Risking to miss it, but let's see. Do you want to risk to miss it? No. It's okay. Leave it there. So, what I was going to say, I was going to check a SPY. So, SPY, I want to put the line on the sand for SPY, and for that, I do have to look at that tape. PLTR is accelerating toward the hopes. I know, I'm mistaken. No, it's not. It's okay.
So SPY is going to be at 559, but right now we did find a lot of buyer. It's
Ooh la
entering
la.
a stack, but it would seem that the stack to the upside is definitely closer than the down. So we will see what is going to happen there.
So much lower to go. Basically, 560 seems to be the bottom. 560 is definitely the biggest. So yeah. Yo lo rebajo bien. Y eso es lo que le gusta. Hey,
You gotta laugh, right?
Yeah, you got to laugh. Yes.
You got to laugh because if you don't laugh, you would take the computer and toss it.
And that will be more costly. Like, I mean, I know I have to upgrade my computer. Like, I mean, my. No, I do have to. Like, I mean, it's because of.
That would be a good way of tossing it.
But no. That's that's exactly the point. If I do that, that will be way more expensive. So I this computer have a lot of parts that I can reuse. So like technically, I only.
Well,
have
if it's broken, you've got a better access to it. You know I'm kidding.
You're trading good today. Why are you making those bad jokes? You know.
I'm kidding.
So yeah, like
Every bad joke should take off profit. 1 hour. Okay, we will take you 1 hour for that joke.
yeah, it's like ay.
Is that the deal you've got with Davey?
Yeah, I'm 50 hour down.
But normally, like, well, you have a long time that you don't make bad jokes. I have to say.
Yeah, I'm more calm. University changed me.
Oh, me gusta. I like that. Okay. So, it could be interesting for NVIDIA right now. SPY as well. We'll see.
So I'm trying to.
It seems like the tape is flipping.
Okay, there we go. Because I need to know who is printing. Under pressure. I definitely could correct my position in PLTR, and I think I am being a little bit hard-headed on that one.
Mm-hmm.
But am I in the mentality of fixing that? The problem is that it doesn't look like if it's gonna be offering that for too long, so I have to be patient. I really have to be patient, and it's okay. Like as I say, I haven't shoot anything, so I have wider risk.
Mm-hmm. Now I'm playing small cap, but in my
In your simulator, nice. So yeah, you switch.
because I'm
We
tired.
have a deal like well, you have a deal from yesterday, which is very good. Like after she hit target in her real account or something like that, and she can play with low cap or low flow stock.
Small cap,
Low flow stock is. Well, it's both things. They are both things.
because they're definitely, but yeah, small cap.
I'm sorry, I say it for you. You can say it yourself. So. You were saying it yourself. It's just I find it interesting because it came from you. And like,
Yeah,
we
thank
know
you.
it's anti-natural for you.
Very, very counterintuitive to the point that sometimes I think my head's gonna go.
Yeah.
But that's okay. Hey,
But you know, like
discipline is discipline, right?
yesterday I was watching another trader, and like I know yesterday I didn't send it to you because it was not the right time, but like I can
Thank
show you
you for
later.
that.
But no, like I mean.
No, it wasn't. You're right.
Okay.
No. I'm thanking
But it was
you
a very
for real.
positive thing because like he was trading QBTS, and he gave it 3 shots and say, good
There
for
you go. I'm good.
Yeah, and then
I'm gone now. Yeah, my issue is I gave it 150 shots. Obviously exaggerating, but not by far.
Okay, I got a red trade now, and that's okay. Zach, do you have the long yet or not?
I got stepped out on the push down at 9:44.
Okay.
But looking to get back in.
Okay, I'm looking to go back in PLTR as well.
The short.
Yes, at 83.20.
Yeah, I would be interested at VWAP too.
Nice. VWAP is 83.46. Yeah, it's not that far.
So I'm not going in. I like that a lot. So 115. So SPY's retesting 561. So when we're looking at the position, wow. So the position on, okay, you guys are doing PLTR?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I'm gonna go back to PLTR. Because I was doing NVIDIA, because all those levels, they're all correspond, those levels, so 83 on PLTR is 561, 40 on SPY, and it's 115.50 on NVIDIA. Yeah, there's a big, boy, very rangy. NVIDIA's very rangy right now.
Mm-hmm, mm-hmm.
Okay, hold on to your caboose.
Yeah, like what is it? Now you can see my stop loss there. So
It's gonna, we've got a double shield at 115 on NVIDIA. So I'm gonna put, is there anything below 115? Not really, so I'm gonna put an order at 115 for
you
long.
shouldn't hold 83 for too long.
And then I'm gonna put it as a limit order. Get me or don't.
Read the tape, my guy. Read the tape. Yesterday, Zach, I came back to trade Tesla a bit.
How did it go?
Very good.
That was it.
Very good.
Mhm.
And yeah, I don't know if you see they have very bad news. Well, it's good news for BYD, but it's bad news for them because BYD say that they have a technology that allowed them to charge their cars like in 20 minutes, like close to 90%.
Okay.
5 minutes give it like 250 or 240 kilometer.
Holy cannoli.
So like they are taking over Tesla in that matter. So yeah, that was no good. So I guess Tesla, like I mean, I have Tesla now here in a chart, like, and it's gonna go almost for sure to 220, but it is too expected the price of 220. So, but my expectation is that it's not gonna hold 220. So like I am not taking the trade as again because of the little inconvenience that happened to me today. But if not, I will be looking very short in this yet. And
there was a bad news too. I don't know if it was yesterday or the day before. I think yesterday.
about what?
There's a YouTuber that I'm listening called Mark Rober.
Oh yeah, you talked to me. I watch. I think is the guy that is a scientist.
Yeah, but, like he's an engineer that he worked for NASA.
Yeah, exactly. My daughters watch it. Like she love it because he do experiments and things like that. So yeah, I watch it too. Eventually, like he went to my country and picked up a bunch of garbage. Good. Keep talking.
But his last video was because he owned a Tesla.
Mm-hmm.
So he did test on a Tesla and a car equipped with the LiDAR technology. LiDAR is like lasers.
Why was it equipped with LiDAR?
Like it's
Like there's a self-driving company, I think it's Loomer, that makes LiDAR. So he equipped another car with that technology and see if it can self-drive.
Wow.
Like they can self-drive or not, like those cars.
yeah.
But he did a couple of tests, like if you put a kid mannequin, and you spray a bunch of water in front, because the Tesla goes with cameras, it doesn't see the kid, but LiDAR see it.
Of course. Like they've got drone. LiDAR is so powerful.
So there was water, smoke. He did a wall with styrofoam.
And he didn't put a deer, he put a kid to make
Oh,
a
but
drama.
he put a. Okay, I mean, yeah.
Yeah, no, but it's good. It's good. It's okay. I mean, like, whatever. It's a human being, whatever being life. So
And his last test was like a wall that looked like the background, like the same, and see if Tesla was able to see that it's a wall,
ay.
and it didn't see it.
I love it.
So it felt like a 5 out of 4, 4 out of 5 test. So,
And it's like you see that people say that Teslas are like high quality vehicle and things like that. The reality, like you drive on my car, which is a Subaru, or like my wife's car, like, even your car, like I mean, it's
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Yeah, nice save. Stop it there and
Yeah.
continue with yours.
you have a Kia.
Yeah,
but
continue
it's
with
okay.
yours.
I thought it was a Hyundai.
No.
No, but like what I'm saying.
The way you said it, eh?
Yeah.
You thought it was
I'm
Hyundai?
sorry, you cannot be honest about something halfway. So what I mean is like I
I
would
love it.
like what I'm saying. Like no, coming back to Tesla. So
Yeah, coming back to Tesla and Subaru.
yeah, like you go in the plastic here and you do like this in the dash. Like you touch the dash of your car and you see how solid it is.
Okay.
Like I mean, like our dash are very solid. In Tesla, it's like a very thin plastic cover. So like I mean,
okay.
there is a bunch of people making videos of how they
It can
and-
push it?
Yeah, and it's just like a low quality.
So the carbon fiber is a little too
It's
thin?
no carbon fiber.
It's not even?
No. Carbon fiber. Like if they put carbon
Carbon
fiber,
fiber is super expensive.
it will be inaccessible because they are
It's
already
super.
expensive.
Oh,
so-
for sure. But hey, a Tesla car, did you see how much that costs?
Yeah, but it doesn't have carbon fiber.
Okay.
It's
That's
like,
what.
It's very cheap plastic.
Oh, that's a sad.
Outside the body, yes, it's aluminum, and they have a very nice cage. Like I mean, safety wise, the
Okay.
cage is nice. But yeah, like, but what happened? Like, the contrast I'm putting here is that like you hear like the same Donald Trump, like oh, very high quality vehicle, and like, but the reality is not
It's
a very
not.
real high quality vehicle. It's just they have been pricing like luxury, but
May not be.
yeah, like they sell
And right
you
now,
the
after
idea, but
losing,
not the-
like, I think it's 400 billion?
yeah, like it's
Like, it's a mental amount
crazy.
that he's lost in his company since the stock plummeted. Mental amount. Just to think that you're able to lose that, you're just.
It's like Ford losing a third of the value. It doesn't happen.
Like I'm not sure about this, but like I was thinking the other day, and like let's say if you're optimist about Tesla future, you say, well, they're gonna come with the robot, like the humanoid robot, whatever, like and thing like that, and it's gonna be like pumped up because hey, it's not a car company, it's a technology company, but in the market, what you hear, like when Tesla is doing like crap, people are calling it a car company. When Tesla is doing very good, they are calling it a
Technology.
technology company. So it is one or the other. Like for real, I think it is a technology company, but his strength right now is in the cars company. So, but what I'm trying to say here, like, look at the North America car companies. Like, what is their average stock price? So it's like you have like General
Ford,
Motor that is like
GM.
$50. You have Ford that is 11, has been 11 for an eternity, and like I'm not sure that the car company is gonna be pricing that high for such a long time. So what I mean, maybe if they really break through AI technology and they do something very crazy, yes, it can sustain those value. But even like that, like the
Yeah, but
peak
the
is
stock
insane.
price doesn't.
Doesn't
The
reflect
stock
that.
price doesn't matter, no?
It does matter. Like there is a point that it matter, and it's when like companies that are mature, and let's say that Tesla is very mature, but we can say maybe mid mature, because it's not like I don't think you have 30 years or like I mean the time is not everything on that. But yes, the stock price matter. Like I mean, it does matter a lot. It's just that it doesn't matter precisely. Like I mean, like it's something to be off by 10 to 25% than to be off by 100 and 300%, which is the case now. So like yes, is unprecise, but it shouldn't be that unprecise. I mean,
Yeah, but what I mean is like the number of shares matter too on the price.
oh yeah, for sure. But like that's why we have the PE ratio. But when I say that, basically, like
Overvalued me.
yeah, like exactly overvalued. Like the PE ratio needs to make sense at some point. Like man, this thing is gonna get me out one more time.
It's so slow, man.
Okay, tapes seem to be flipping.
But the problem is that I don't see the momentum anywhere. Like I mean,
No.
look at SPY. It's looking like crap at the bottom. So like it's yeah, it's trying, but it's not really that good.
I just checked the PE ratio of Tesla. You
Mm-hmm.
know what it is?
I guess it's
Check
about
again.
60 or 50 right now.
110.
Okay. So, like I know at some point it was trading 270. The PE ratio. And I said, like,
Wow.
are you like a SPY never, pretty much never a SPY go above 35, maybe 40.
Okay.
Okay.
It got to almost 120 back when it was high.
That was Tesla.
You know what Ford is?
I don't know. You tell me.
Mm-hmm.
It's 7.
Ay.
Incredible.
Yeah.
That's CGM. 7.7.
Yeah, you see, so the in the 7, below 10, for not exaggerating.
Nvidia is 39.
Spike, yeah. So I took Nvidia. Right now the tape is flipping. So 116 though, oof, that's huge.
Nvidia was below 20 last week, I think.
That's 39. At the beginning of the year was 81.
Nvidia.
Yeah. A big pullback on PE ratio.
Nice. So what do I do with my life now? So let's see.
Well, that was existential.
No, really. But it's just like
What do I do with my life?
I think I'll get short.
I think I follow you there. I just took it, but like
You took what short?
I took PLTR short, but I went just half.
I took it too.
I went half if it work, I'm gonna add, but I wanna see it pumping up.
Do you think it can break the bottom?
Yes, I do. That volume is not that good for the reversal. I am actually like maybe I should be adding everything. Yeah, I add everything, so I don't think it's gonna handle that good. So
And VWAP is always relevant.
yeah, like
I have a 30 cents stop loss.
so now we have a seller buyer at 24, which is pushing up. But coming back to 27, I'm gonna read the tape a little bit just to get a little bit extra information. 24 buying heavily right now. So he wants 24. So my question is, why you don't step up? Well, probably because let's see, printing 33, 32. Now there seems to be a little bit of confusion around there. Maybe okay, 50 probably. Is it gonna be printing 50? I am looking at the wrong print, my guy. Like that. I mean, the tape I'm reading is correct, but the print that is just beside is not the right print.
Okay.
Now it is. Okay. Okay. So let's see. Hijo de tu mamá. They're flashing back up above the VWAP. That 50 is holding too good. That 50, I kind of don't like that, but let's see. 50, 54, 53, 60. There we go. Okay.
That's a nice.
I want to see an interaction back again to the 24, and it's just because that 24 was heavy enough. So if 24 is not holding, we're gonna have more clear information of the short. But right now, 24, 25, that 30 bit is holding a little bit too good for us to be looking short. The problem, I do have the short already, so let's see. $60 seems to be selling good. So 42, 43. SPY really now interacting with the 50 EMA. And okay, we are coming back below the 30. Let's see if we're gonna be printing 25, 24, like 83, 20. Okay, we dropped below 25, and that was not good. I mean, this time they may not be there. I mean, printing below 84, a little bit too quiet there. Or the guy took a nap, or I don't know. Printing 26. Yeah, we don't have the same momentum now, so this is the moment for the short to light up. And okay, let's see, printing 23, 24. We go back about 26, but we didn't win 30. So let's see, printing 28. The tape is a little bit too mixed around there. That's between 25 and 50. 83, 25, and 50. That tape is slightly too mixed. I mean, indecision in there. Of course, that's around the VWAP. So now we are buying at 39. That's not good for our short. Heavy buying at 39. So let's see. Is it gonna be able to break 60? Probably. Now 60 is selling again. Very heavy. That seller at 60, I don't know if it's gonna be big enough to hold the price. But man. Okay, a bunch of print below the bid. So okay, 60 is holding by the penny. I'm not sure about that, but for now it was holding by the penny. So 84. I think I'm gonna get out.
RSI is crazy. Same with SPY. Crazy, crazy RSI.
If you don't have the trade, I don't know if you have it already. 60 is a good price for the short compared to whatever we got. I got.
Yeah, I have it.
You had it too. Okay, like 60 is holding very good.
I got it at 40.
You went at 40, like you went in at 40.
Mhm.
Okay.
So plus at 80.
Okay, my stop loss is at 74, but it's a little bit more random stop loss, and yeah, 64. What is the SPY doing? The SPY is not that strong, so yeah, it's gonna get me out. That's the problem with those legs. There's, I mean, like, how would you say that? I feel like a deer on a,
Deer in the headlight look.
yeah,
I went long on PLTR.
nice.
We'll see.
Just watch out because the volume on that is very crappy.
Mm-hmm. Agreed.
So you got that out, right?
Yes, I do, but I'm gonna be coming back in. I'm just waiting for more information.
Like 1 penny away from my.
Yeah, I see. Okay, I came back in, so I'm like, if you look at the 5 minute, there is a volume candle there that is very relevant. Right now, my stop loss is 84.17. I don't feel extremely correct about that trade, but I see the volume, and as I say, I'm missing indicators here, but like there is a volume that was executed at around 83, 93, 84. So I think the 84 is gonna be the point for like.
Okay, so SPY now is really pop. So be careful with your short, guys. It's trying to really pop up.
Yeah, and it's holding the 60, like. And yeah, let's see. Like, I mean,
I'm back in.
sorry.
The volume is really crappy on both sides.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna take a little bite on Tesla as well. Let's see if I can be more disciplined and get a decent price on Tesla, which probably I won't be able to get, but Tesla is in the move already.
Move for what?
Move for the short. Yeah. And you know my stop losses on that one, you know? Like, it's $1.50, which I might be able to readjust. So, do I have the right thing? Yeah, I do have the right stop loss. So I got Tesla short PLTR short. I want to look long, but the Spice is having a hard time convincing me, especially because the day that we reversed from a double bottom that it was looking like that, which was like 3 days ago. Like I think it was Friday or Thursday. In the second push, it was looking way different than what it is looking right now. Like if you look at SPY in the 1 minute here, we make like a kind of double bottom here. Like the price that was making sense was 560. So yeah, like this hugging here of the 50 EMA, I don't like it. Tesla is gonna be getting me out, so probably. Which he shouldn't, but I know. Tesla is Tesla, you know.
We know.
Okay, Tesla got me out. And I am so tempted to go that way, but I'm gonna give you the benefit of the doubt. PLTR gonna stay quiet. Are you able to survive 84 in PLTR?
Yeah, barely.
Yeah, because it's a like let's say in Tesla, like it's a lack of discipline, as I say, because of my tilted today. But let's see if I can fix it on Tesla. So that's the price I originally won on Tesla, the price I got out. And yesterday was the same problem that I had. Like, I mean, it was a very good day, but still at the beginning I was getting chopped just because I wasn't patient enough. And today, as I say, I had a little
Hiccup.
So that's an understatement, but you know.
Yeah, that's it. A hiccup, it's a hiccup.
It's so Tesla, I give it another shot. If it doesn't work, I think I'm just gonna walk away from that. PLTR, the same thing. Like, I don't see why those things will go higher right now. Though SPY is trying good enough, but I just don't like the way it looks. So like PLTR, something you can see very clear is that after it interact with the VWAP, it is having some congestion there. So technically, as you say that you're able to survive 84, I don't know by how many pennies. Like, I am 84.17 stop loss. It shouldn't get me, but we're gonna see. Oh no. What am I gonna do now? Sin amor, sin esperanzas, que me hizo en la vida no creer más. Yo pensé hacer un viaje y así mis problemas olvidar. En el tren que yo viajaba conocí una chica triste que la suerte un día también la olvidó. Me contó. Did you see the tape on Nvidia? Wow.
Is it part of the song?
Okay.
That's a 1R.
Minus a couple R for
Yeah,
you.
that one's a 1R. That's a one
I'm
arm.
already down.
That's a one arm.
Yeah, I deserve it. Good.
Okay, be careful, guys. Your shirt.
So, Davey, how do you feel about your trading today? Well, are you sure everything is okay? And the little dog, like sitting, drinking the tea, and it's like the house catching fire.
Oh, you're funny. Oh. House catching fire. You crazy person.
Whee! So I want to zoom out a little bit on SPY, let's say. I want to see if a SPY does looks like if the party have finished for the short, and we have to go in a bigger time frame. No, yeah, like come on, give me a break. Give me a break. Are you really kidding me?
Let's get it started.
So did you look at the weekly today? No? That weekly is not looking good.
No.
That volume, man, is just so crazy. It's like, yeah, we go into consolidation. Zach, what do you think? Is SPY gonna break the low here at the 550 before the end of the month?
SPY
We are.
overnight VWAP.
I don't think it will. Maybe. I don't know.
Okay.
But, unless Trump goes out or something.
Okay, so SPY's crossing overnight VWAP.
I think he's only talking about tariffs in April now. So, maybe just a bit of
Yeah, that's just for today, right?
Minus R for you as well.
Come on. Like, it depends on how he sleeps. If he's got a good air day.
I think we're gonna break the low of 550 before the end of the month. So I ask you because like I know you are normally checking those numbers. Like for example, the one that we have last week that was very good. Like very not very. It was a bad number, but it was a good data. Which is the consumer sentiment coming down that much, and like I think the only reason why we were bouncing around there it was because everybody was trying to buy the 10% correction, not knowing that, and like I'm not assuming that I know more than anybody. It's just saying like I think the what is behind the market moving down is a little bit longer term. That's what I am considering here because like the stock market have been strong, but the economy is it start to signal a lot of weakness here and there. Like I mean, like plus those tariff talking, but probably the tariff talking is not gonna be as relevant at some point because they are intermittent, like
Intermittent.
yeah. So but
That was like a naranja.
naranja. Yeah, but let's see. So, but I do think we're gonna go below 550.
I just saw it's only 1.78% down. So we could. I thought it was lower.
Yeah, like the volume have really slowed down when we were like, normally you have like trending, and we are trending with quite high volume. And when we slow down here, trying to reverse, what happened to the volume? It drops a lot. Like I mean, look at those two green candles here, plus like the sideways move. So it's like, I don't think that many people are buying that pullback. Like I mean, yes, we have a lot of buying the pullback, but Yeah, there's gonna be a contradiction at some point, probably with that. Not too far from now. So what are we trading?
PLTR long. It has to reprint 80.
Pourquoi, mon ami? I'm kidding. I don't even know what I'm doing today, you know. No, it's true.
Oh,
I mean,
that is a long stretch, but
no, it's like no, like that's not like that is a reality, you know. Like I mean, I took a trade here and there because I see some levels, but I don't have the whole spectrum of what is going on. So that's why I told you I was feeling like I lost, like a deer in a headline. That's how you say it?
deer in the headlight look.
Headlights. But yeah. Yeah, like whenever I don't have the time to do my lines before the open,
It's big, right?
it's big time. Like I mean, it's like, oof, what I'm doing, my guy. What I'm doing.
There you go, PLTR.
Oh yeah, 280. My target is 80 on that thing.
Nice. I'll take profit at 81.50, I think.
Mm-hmm.
For 3/4.
And it's funny because you hear me saying, oh, so I haven't took any trade, I'm gonna go bigger here and bigger there. I'm not gonna take whole size. So it's like, so
What's happening with that level? Oh, I need to
let's take a little break.
Are you guys concerned that it's holding the 83 well? No.
No.
Okay.
At least I'm not. Like I
Okay.
mean, ID took a short. Like and ID took a short because I look at your chart
Yeah.
at 83 previously. It didn't work. It's just like I saw how it was holding there very good, and like toward the downside. So look at SPY. I think SPY wants to break the bottom today. That's almost for sure. But like yesterday, SPY did exactly what it's doing today. Like I mean, exactly. It's not exactly what I'm saying. SPY did what it did on the tape yesterday toward the long.
Okay.
Today it's doing it toward the short. Because the sizes that are below there, the 560, I think it was. Yeah, 560. On SPY 560, there is a size that is decent, but it's not big enough for us to say that we cannot go through. So, and that we have to put it on perspective because, like, the guy that had 700, 600 lot, like whoever, like market maker, whoever, that was another story. Like that was a strong bottom. And today we had 150 toward the hop, and we went through. So why we wouldn't go through 60 today toward the down?
Absolutely.
Una vida tan vacía, sin amor, sin esperanzas, que me hizo en la vida no creer más. Tururum, tum, tum. Al llegar las vacaciones, yo pensé hacer un viaje y así mis problemas olvidar. Tururum, tum, tum. En el tren que yo viajaba, conocí una chica triste, que la suerte un día también la olvidó. Me contó toda su vida, ansiedades y tristezas. Ella estaba abandonada como yo. Si guardas un sentimiento en tu corazón, amigo, So I don't know. Like I mean, those charts. Like, and I'm gonna go through them because everything is very correlated lately, and like I guess that's
It
why
has.
the market trending down or like moving sideways having a little bit easier to trade. And like for example, let's go SPY. We go SPY. What I'm saying here, like we have, in my opinion, and I don't really hate when I say this, but this mediocre volume toward those bounds. So those bounds are not being taken that seriously. So when we have this type of volume, like we do not expect the trend to last for too long. So and when we look at this, it's like this trend have been like, if we say that we were trending up here from here to here, like something like that, I don't know, like if that even make any sense, but that is not looking good. Like this is, there is a lack of momentum toward the upside, like a lot of sideways move or sideways-ish, like trying to go higher but not really going higher. So that's what I'm trying to say here. And then you have Tesla, maybe the weakest name, I don't know. No, QBTS is the weakest one, but like BBAI AI names are the weakest, but like Tesla out of the rest. So then you have NVIDIA, like NVIDIA looking way better, and that's why I like that. Now that tape makes more sense to me. Like you're gonna be looking for a long. I think that NVIDIA makes a lot of sense, and let's see if that tape is still as it was on that offer. And it is, yeah, that tape is very nice for the long, if ever you believe on it. I'm not saying it will work, but if I will be looking for a long right now, I will be looking for NVIDIA. So, PLTR did quite well too. Yeah. So,
Yep. Nvidia though has a double shield at 115, which is definitely a good pullback.
still have your short, Zach?
Yes, I do.
Nice.
You always react to do what?
I don't believe in the shorts. I'm not taking anything right now. Okay, so check the tape, guys,
For what? Which one?
for PLTR.
Tell me what you see. Because my tape is a little bit clean.
My tape is it said duct tape on it.
That's an R! That's an R!
Yeah, I give it.
Hey Zach, you sleep well, dear sir, right?
I love it.
Not that much.
Not that much.
No?
Maybe why?
I don't know, because you surpass your number now, you know? Like you make a joke a month, and now you have been making like 4, 3, like
Just this morning.
just this morning, yeah?
I know, I love it.
Crazy. Yeah.
He knows that you need them.
Okay. Well,
Right? He's your guy.
Yeah, I love you too.
Right? He's your guy.
So 19, 20, 89. Yeah, look. PLTR is gonna go through a level that not a level, a stack that is at 8320 right now, and we wanna see it bouncing. It bounced very good actually. Like I mean, no, it didn't get filled. It never get filled. Like I see, he's like it came back. And then toward the hub size, the 60 again. But I will it print 60 again? I don't think so.
It interacted very well at the VWAP, right? Of 8325. And 8320 is practically the VWAP again.
I guess like, well, I guess like you seems to be like up to now you seems to be right about the 83. Like I guess that's what you are trading. Like you have 83 as a price, right? Like because he did held the 83 well.
Big pop on
yeah,
SPY.
I see that.
Big pop on SPY, breaking even.
But look at the time. It didn't happen yesterday. It did happen today.
Wow. Look at the tape now, Davey. On PLTR.
I'm looking at the side. It's looking like a longish.
Definitely a lot of interest. That wasn't there prior.
But it's not that aggressive the push. So
Don't know if you have 100 EMA.
no, I don't.
Staying
No.
under like pretty good.
I know it has a lot of value. I did a couple of tests on it long ago.
100, yeah?
Yeah, but I normally don't have it. Nvidia is back. We're gonna have to be patient, right? I guess. And well, I say that I didn't trade the morning, so like I mean, that's why I am having that weird feeling. $83.75 load up on quite heavy on PLTR.
Very much.
$83.75. I will stay quiet on PLTR, Zach, in case you have any value for you. The last volume in the 5 minute is not that relevant.
And it's rejecting the top. I'm gonna go soon though. Let's keep it running.
Okay. Are you gonna drop off a bad? Well, it doesn't have to be bad, but are you gonna drop off a joke before
Oh,
another
I'll
one?
try to find one
Okay.
just for you, my guy.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah, you see that the downside is more aggressive than the upside on PLTR because we went we scaled up on the tape by 6 cents, but we scaled down on the tape by 15 to 20. So I'm gonna stay quiet in there. If you get me out, I am close to recalling this a day for me because haven't been good. I went to having some place and pay bad price for it. So
Look at my. I just placed my order and walked away. It filled me at the number. And look at the small quantity of shares and look at mine.
yeah,
It's not my account.
getting good prices.
The good prices are important.
Yeah.
So for those the small caps, you cannot be looking at them.
Yeah, so why can dinosaur clap their hands?
Why can what?
Dinosaur
Uh-huh.
clap their hands
Don't know.
because they're dead.
Mwah, mwah, mwah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I'm out. See you tomorrow.
Correct. Chinga tu madre, pendejo.
I love it.
Zach, we love you too.
I love it.
Take care.
Thank you, have fun.
Bye.
Bye bye.
Bye.
I love it.
Ay, ay, ay.
Oh, that was brilliant. Oh my god. Yeah. So that's a good find for. Let me see this. Wow. Look at that. So I placed my order because I was the biggest guy and I'm not looking at it. And it turned out very good. So I like that.
The problem with that is when they don't work.
But if you do, you
Because
put it
if you-
there. If you put it there, as soon as it's there, you put your stop loss, then you.
Like,
Instead
I-
of playing with it, adding, subtracting, because that's what I do when I'm looking at them, right? So,
like I have an order that I don't use, to be honest, but I it's because it's misadjusted. I have to change some numbers on it. But I have an order that you don't even have to look at, and this is the type of order you're supposed to be using for what you say there.
okay.
So basically, like you will drop off your order, and when that order get filled, it will drop off another order automatically at where
Okay.
you want your stop loss.
Oh, me gusta.
So I need to take a little break. I'll
Yeah,
be
me
back
too.
just a minute.
Mente.
Right, we're back. So I'm holding on to these trades. Market is gonna get flushy very soon, I think. Well, yeah. So Nvidia is on its way down as well. So I have Tesla short, and I have PLTR short. Yeah. So what do I need?
Oh. Check Nvidia. The tape.
Tape on Nvidia. Mm-hmm. I'm gonna even send the profile by email.
You would?
I am going to even send that profile by email, but like
You making a double confirmation? No. After today, I'm gonna be honest. I think I'd save it on everything. Like that? No, you.
Oh,
that
yeah.
would have made me like. You're doing fantastic.
no, but I feel this sketchiness of
Mm-hmm.
like I feel uncomfortable, so unavoidably so. It's like
Of course.
NVIDIA accelerating a lot towards the upside.
Yeah.
Tesla got me out one more time. Probably gonna leave Tesla alone. And yeah. Okay, so let's see.
No breakfast.
No, I forgot to eat breakfast today.
Ooh.
So I add a little bit more PLTR on that, say my top in there, but I
84 hasn't been filled though.
think he did.
No.
Like it was running away from him, and yeah, it did print 84 million.
Oh, did it? Because
Yeah.
I still see the big numbers on 84.
Yeah, I have. We had a print of 84. And,
Yeah, but the orders didn't get filled.
not completely.
Uh-huh.
Now we go stacking right there at 84. And that's gonna be a very messy probably. You see now how it went through?
Mm-hmm.
And sorry.
Oh no. So now what are you trading?
I have PLTR, but like if he does, like if he get me out, probably I'm gonna have to step out. Like, and I have short Tesla again, but yeah, no good at all. So PLTR is about, as I said, about to get me out. He haven't got me out by the penny.
I was going to say very close though.
Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
and if he get me out, I'm just gonna walk away. I went like bigger on the trade.
Okay.
So and I have Tesla, and the Tesla was very technical. Like Tesla, I mean, I even did a hotkey mistake, and I got the trade by luck. But yeah, that was a technical entry. But in PLTR, I just let it go too far already, and I feel I'm wrong in PLTR. So I just don't want to. Right now, I'm trading probably the PNL there, not wanting to let it go.
Mm.
And of course, sometimes we see that it did work by the penny. Like, I mean, that's part of why I'm holding to. Like,
Absolutely.
and how many times you see, oh, that was really the high, and you go out prematurely. So, because I made peace with the loss already, I say, you know what, if it's gonna hold, I'm gonna be okay with that. So, híjole. and the way that the trend have been going out, well, the trend is like the push up. Those things are really trying. That's we have to respect that. So
So going back down to that level, right?
yeah, like and I am looking at myself and say, why are you holding those shorts? Why are you looking short? And but the answer is very clear to me. It's what did I do? Okay, so let's see. The answer to that is SPY. Like we say, we have a decent level at 560. I know it's not making lower lows, so that against me there.
Mm-hmm.
But I like no matter how I look at SPY, I don't see it going higher. Like right now we are red just 1.2, and like sideways, like we are not clearly downtrending on SPY. Well, we are clearly downtrending, but like no with momentum, no with with enough angle for us to say it is going down.
Absolutely.
So
And it is still, if you're looking at the RSI, it's definitely pushing up.
if I flip that idea, basically it's going down, right?
Yep.
So PLTR about to get me out, and as I say, like that's probably gonna be my last trade on PLTR or in anything. Like I just gonna hold Tesla if that happens, and then I have to step away. But it will have to make a 5-minute high for it to do that. Okay, SPY is pushing higher. Yeah, Piotr got me out. And as I say, like that was big lost in there, but it's okay.
You're looking at it as it's pulling back.
I'm trying to get the best entry I can, and let's see. There is a guy at 84.40. Okay. Do we have other choices? Yes, we do.
Holy crap, we should wrap it up.
Yeah, we should. Yeah, I won't add. It's okay. It's okay. Don't add. Keep it cool. So I'm just gonna hold those positions. And let's do this wrapping up. So basically, today was a chaotic day for me. Basically, I missed the open. Like, what happened was that when the market opened, not when the market opened, even way before the market opened, the platform does just crash. And like, I mean, it's like it erased my profile. So I didn't have any charts. I didn't have level 2. I didn't have anything to take any trades. So I had to reconfigure all that. So that took a long time. So I missed the entry for the open, and like I missed the whole move, this whole move pretty much. And yeah, maybe that was good, that was bad, I don't know. If I would be green by now, but that was it. So basically, then I start taking short here, like short, add to the short, took a lost, short, took a lost, short, add to the short, add to the short, took a lost. Short, took a lost, short again, and now it may work. And I know when you look at it, it's like, oh, but he's taking blindly shorts. No, like right now I'm looking at the tape. 84.40 makes sense for a short because of the size it had, but will it work? I don't know. I'm basing my trades in many other things, like SPY trading like crap right now. So yeah.
Mhm.
So I am red big time right now. So NVIDIA. I didn't trade Nvidia. What was the other one? I trade Tesla. Was the other one? So Tesla, I went short. Didn't work. Went short. Didn't took any partial. Then got out. Then shorted again. Yeah, if those trades doesn't work, I'm gonna have to walk away, and that's okay. Tomorrow is another day. I just have to make sure I don't hit the point where I have to go back. Yeah, it's a very tricky spot here for me, but yeah. So that's it. As I say, very ugly day, red day, and some things were out of my hands. Others, I could do better. Yeah. What about you, lady?
Well, I wish that my simulator was my real account. So, in the simulator, doing very well. I took some small caps at the really, really, really good price. I think I got a revelation today. I'm going to be honest with you. Is that looking at the trades and what they're doing seems to get me in the FOMO mode. So PLTR was very, very good at the short. That was my best trade. But getting into the long at the reversal at the wrong price, I lost most of that beautiful, beautiful profit. So right now I'm pretty much even, but I'm looking again at the reversal, but the market seems to be going sideways.
And what was the ticket that you trade?
PLTR and NVIDIA. Those are the only two.
Okay. Understood.
But in my in the simulator, because I'm practicing small cap, fantastic. But I just placed my order at a good price and walked away. I still believe that the market seems to be reversing to the long. So I am long at this moment with NVIDIA, and this would be my last trade.
Understood.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's the day have been very tricky. Like I mean, like at some point I don't know which part you consider like your mistakes and which part is like out of your hands. Like that SPY is like, oof, like why is the SPY doing what it's doing right there? Like I mean, I understand that like a bounce, like it seems to be no trading below the 560, but the strength I don't see it there. So that's why I'm kind of going short, though I can do better as I say. But yeah, for now that's it. I hope everybody have a good day. Hopefully tomorrow I don't have to deal with this type of circumstances. So it was not my mistake at the end. So like some trades,
No.
yes, but I mean
You
like
come in
yeah.
and all your charts are gonna come on.
Yeah. So yeah, that's gonna be everything. I hope everybody have a good day. Yeah, we will see you tomorrow. Bye.
Bye.